One of the things that beginner and struggling affiliate marketers get overwhelmed by is all the stuff that needs to be done to get your business started and operating effectively. So I came up with 12 things that I've learned over the years that make earning an income and banking a profit more efficient and consistent. And today I'm going to tell you about the second of the 12. And this is the second of the foundation steps that will help get you set up for success, so stick with me. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. In this video, I'm going to share the second step of my 12 steps to online success. And this one is a beauty. It's often one of the first things that I need to work on with my one-on-one coaching clients. Because let's face it, it's something that just isn't taught and certainly isn't valued when it comes to your business. So what is step number 2? Well, it's all about getting organized. Like I said, when I'm working with my one-on-one clients, the single most obvious thing that's causing them issues is the fact that their business isn't organized. Now, if you're into mindset like I am, you'll know that an unorganized environment leads to unorganized results. So we need to get organized to have success online. So what can you do to get organized to increase your efficiency and grow your income? Let's get stuck into the obvious and most impactful areas of your business. The first, and it should come as no surprise when it comes to my coaching, is your finances, both your personal and your business. You absolutely need to have some method of monitoring and organising your finances. You need to know how much you're earning and how much you are spending. And I highly recommend that you separate your personal income and your expenses from your business income and expenses. If you're going to grow a successful online business, you need to know how it's going financially. And the good news about spending the time to monitor your finances is that if you haven't done this before, you are most definitely going to discover some expenses that you don't need, that are just a leak out of your bank account with no real return to you, either in joy, knowledge, or wealth. So spend the time to monitor your income and your expenses and get them organised and know your numbers. Know what you're doing each month with what you need to earn to cover your expenses or to expand your business. Say with a virtual assistant or more ad spend. Now, I've developed an entire course on how to do this called the 5 Steps to Financial Freedom, which you can access by clicking the link in the description. This course sells for a ridiculously low price when you consider that it could be worth millions to you over your lifetime when you apply the principles that I show you in the course. So grab your copy now and get your finances organised. The second thing that I want you to organise to improve your online success are your links. Now I bet if you're like me, you're a member of a number of paid programs or courses. You also have a number of different pages or funnels that you promote. And then there are a bunch of affiliate products that you promote, all of which have their various links. So if I asked you for a link, how quickly could you get that link to me? When I was asked this question the first time a few years ago, the time it took me to get the link to the person who asked resulted in me losing an affiliate commission on a monthly recurring product. You need to be able to access your links quickly. It's worth the money to you. I have 2 ways that I manage my links. The first is in an Excel spreadsheet. I have a spreadsheet with all my course logins and links. Then on another sheet I have all my funnel links, and then on another I have my affiliate product links. And I know if I need any link that I can get it from this workbook quickly. And for a ninja tip, for the links that I use more often, like daily, I've created bookmark folders in my Chrome web browser. This way, when I'm on a coaching call or in a messenger conversation or someone asks me for one of my links, I can get it generally with no more than 2 clicks of the mouse. I've set up folders in Chrome for affiliate products, funnels, social pages and groups, and the core courses that I want access to with just 2 clicks. And for added organisational efficiency, I even have the Excel spreadsheet that I mentioned first saved in Google and as a bookmark page in Chrome. So I can get to it in 1 click and all my links within 1 or 2 more clicks. You want to be this organised with your links because money like speed, and the quicker you can get your links to the people who are asking for them, the quicker you can get paid. Full stop. Now, the third part of your business that you need to get organised are your files. Nothing is more frustrating than spending minutes clicking through your files to find the one that you want because you can't remember where you saved it. The solution is to have a structured system for where your files are saved based on the type of files that they are. So you'd have a folder for sales and marketing, another for finances, another for courses that you create, procedures and policies, and so on. And here's a look at one of mine. Looks like, for example. And to add an extra level of organisation and security to the process, you want to have it synced to the cloud. And you can use either Google or OneDrive to do that. This way, your files are always backed up and available wherever you are, as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how you can set yourself for success by getting organised and having an organised work environment that supports your income goals. Now, if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can work on a plan to get you moving towards your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me. Click the link in the description and let's have a chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to everyone. And don't forget to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend. Click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. Oh, and if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can have a chat.